Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to switch to Google Ads Expert mode. Let's get started. First, log into your Google Ads account and click on Appearance up here. Then click Use Previous Design. This pop-up will open asking you for a reason why you are switching back to the previous design. You can pick whatever reason here, but it's not really necessary, so just click on Send and go to Previous Design. Then your Google Ads overview will look something like this. The main thing you can look for to check if you really are in the expert mode is this Tools and Settings option up here. If you are in the Smart mode, this will only say Settings, or it will not be there at all. You can make sure that you are in the expert mode if this option says Tools and Settings, and this is what it looks like if you click it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.